Welcome to this African-centered guided meditation. You are here by the design of the ancestors who have summoned you to commune with them in your sacred space. Guided by breath, spirit, and ancestral wisdom, let us begin our meditation for today. Walking the path of Yowa, a journey through the 4 moments of the sun. This is a guided meditation practice centered in the Congo spiritual tradition of Yowa and the sacred cycle of life. Before we begin, let us turn our hearts to an ancient truth. The Congo people of Central Africa offer us a sacred vision, a way to understand our lives, our ancestors, and the spirit that connects all things. This vision is the Yowa, the 4 moments of the sun. It is not just a symbol, it is a map of the soul, a reflection of the sun. It teaches us that just as the sun rises, peaks, sets, and rests, so too do we journey through birth, maturity, elderhood, and return to the ancestral world. Life is not linear, it is a circle, a sacred rhythm of becoming, being, releasing, and returning. And so today we enter that rhythm. We walk the sun's path from Kala, sunrise, to Takula, midday, to Luvemba, sunset, and finally to Musoni, midnight. Let us now breathe. Inhale deeply and exhale completely. Inhale deeply and exhale completely. Inhale deeply and exhale completely. Continue to breathe as we begin moving into Kala, the rising sun, birth, and becoming. Close your eyes. See the horizon, the first light of morning. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. You are at the beginning. Imagine yourself as a newborn spirit, crossing from the ancestral realm into this world. What are the gifts you carry? What memories, what power, what destiny? Whisper to your heart, I come into this world with purpose. I carry sacred wisdom of the ancestors in my soul. Once again, I come into this world with purpose. I carry sacred wisdom of the ancestors in my soul. I come into this world with purpose. I carry sacred wisdom of the ancestors in my soul. Let your spirit stand in the east, in Kala, in becoming. Welcome your journey. Continue to breathe deeply exhaling completely. As we move to Tukula, the full sun, maturity, and power. Now the sun has risen. It stands high above you, bright, warm, and powerful. This is the season of action, of doing, of giving. Recall a time when you were at your strongest, when you stood firm in your identity, when your decisions reflected the wisdom of your path, when your steps honored those who came before you. This is Tukula, the time of work, love, and responsibility. Again, whisper to your heart, I am powerful and accountable. I honor my purpose in community. I am powerful and accountable. I honor my purpose in community. I am powerful and accountable. I honor my purpose in community. Continue to breathe deeply and exhale completely. Let the fire within you burn steady. Let it guide you, not consume you. And as you continue to breathe, we move into Luvemba, the setting sun, elderhood, and wisdom. Now imagine turning toward the west. The sun begins to lower, the air cools, the world softens. You are in Luvemba, the season of reflection. Imagine yourself as an elder, wise, quiet, seeing far beyond the surface. What truths would you share? What would you release? What have you learned? Whisper gently to your heart, I honor the wisdom of my journey. I hold truth as a sacred duty, not a weapon. I honor the wisdom of my journey. I hold truth as a sacred duty, not a weapon. I honor the wisdom of my journey. I hold truth as a sacred duty, not a weapon. Continue to breathe and focus on the breath. Feel yourself settling into the richness of earth, the grounded knowing that comes with time. As you continue to inhale and exhale, we move to Musoni, the dark sun, death, and ancestral return. And now night falls. The sun disappears from the sky, but it is not the end. This is Musoni, the realm of spirit. Imagine yourself crossing the threshold, returning to the world of the ancestors, being greeted by those who came before you. You are home again. You are light without body. You are memory returning to source, whispering into your soul, I will be remembered. I am part of the circle that never breaks. I will be remembered. I am part of the circle that never breaks. I will be remembered. I am part of the circle that never breaks. As you continue to inhale deeply and exhale completely, feel the ancestors' presence. Feel their blessing. They are with you. You are never alone. And as you continue to breathe deeply and exhale completely, we are now becoming the Yoa. Now slowly breathe in the whole cycle from Kala to Takula to Luvemba to Musoni. You are all of it. The child, the adult, the elder, the ancestor. You are the sun walking its sacred path. Inhale and whisper, I am becoming. Exhale and whisper to yourself, I am remembering. Inhale, I am here. Exhale, I am eternal. Sit in silence for a moment longer. Carry the Yoa in your spirit. And when you are ready, open your eye and re-enter the world as one who remembers the 4 moments of the sun. Ashe. I want to thank you for participating in this guided meditation. May the ancestors walk with you, and may your spirit stay grounded in truth, balance, and love. If this meditation resonated with your soul, honor it by sharing it with someone who needs it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so that you never miss a moment of African wisdom and sacred breath. You are not alone. You are part of something ancient, something powerful, something beautiful. Until next time, walk in Ma'at, live Ubuntu, and remember, with every breath, honor those who walk before you. My name is Samuel Burbanks, and I'll see you next time. Ashe.